Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Python 3.10, 3.10. So to remove Python, firstly click on Start, then Settings. Here click on Apps, then here click on Installed Apps. And here guys you have to search Python. So you will see all version of Python like 3.10, 3.11. So in case you want to uninstall this 3.10, click on this three dot, then click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall and complete this uninstalling process. And once this complete, you have to restart your system. So thanks for watching. Comment in this video useful for you or not.